How you doing, guys? This is Sam again, Expert Locksmith here in San Antonio, some resort. The valet parking lost the key, and I just want to show you first of all where is the key slot. The key slot is right here. You take this off and you just lay the key like this. Yeah. Sorry, you lay it like this. Once you do that, the programmer can do it. I already did it in this one, but it takes exactly 10 seconds. Exactly 10 seconds. Let me show you. Ford model list. Fusion. You see we have option 2017 POX. You press, hit the key. Once I press continue, just thinking, and take about 5 seconds. You have to press on lock one time, and tick tick is done. As I said, it's just about 10 seconds. Thank you again, Sam, Expert Locksmith here in San Antonio.